In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name and email on Wizz Air. First, head to the Wizz Air website and look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your name there once you're signed in. Go ahead and click your name. This opens your account area where all your profile settings live. If you don't see your name, you may need to log in first since these options only appear for signed in users. Inside your account, find the section labeled Personal Details. Here, look for a small pencil icon next to your information. The pencil is the universal edit button on this page. Click that to switch your personal details into edit mode so you can make changes. Now, update your name fields as needed. Make sure the spelling matches your travel document exactly, including any middle names or accents that appear on your ID. It's best to avoid nicknames or shortened versions here, as airlines use this information for your bookings. When you're confident everything is correct, select Save. You should see a brief confirmation message on the page. Keep in mind that updating your profile name is different from changing the passenger name on an existing booking. Airlines often treat those separately and may have specific rules, so think of this as keeping your account details accurate going forward. Next, scroll to the section called Contact Details. Again, click the pencil icon to edit. This takes you into the fields where your contact information can be updated. Enter your new email address carefully. It's worth pausing to double-check spelling. One mistyped character can stop you from receiving booking confirmations or check-in reminders. Make sure you have access to this inbox because airlines often send important updates there. Depending on your account settings, you might be asked to verify the new email, so keep an eye out for a confirmation message once you save. When everything looks good, click Save. Look for a success notice at the top or bottom of the page indicating your changes were applied. If you're prompted to verify your new email, open your inbox and complete that verification promptly so your account stays fully functional. A quick page refresh can also help you visually confirm the updates took effect. That's it. You clicked your name to open your account, edited your personal details to update your name, then moved to contact details to update your email and saved both sets of changes. With your profile now up to date, you'll be ready for smooth bookings and timely notifications on your next Wizz Air trip.